Hey guys, it's Brian with another YouTube video. I've got a 2006 Mitsubishi Raider that we're working on right now. I'm gonna kind of let you know what it sounds like and what we're trying to do to fix it. We still haven't figured out how to fix it, but I'm gonna let you know what we've been through so far, and I'll also shoot another updated video once we get it taken care of and let you know what fixed the truck, if we are able to fix the truck. But anyway. See if I can flip this. But anyway, I'm having a lifter noise coming from the right hand side here, and what we've done so far is taken out the front three that were we didn't know which one was bad. Initially we went to the Mitsubishi place and got all six, because there's 6 lifters to go here. Well, he must be replaced 4, but anyway, that's the old lifters there, and he must be done move the other ones. But I'm gonna crank it up and let you listen to it. And I'm just, if anybody's got any info on how to fix this, please let me know. In a second. Alright, so I don't know if you could hear that real good on this video or not, but maybe you did. Like I say, we've already been through, cleaned everything really good, and put this thing back together. At one point in time, it seemed like the lifters all pumped up. It was running real good. We drove it around the block, and we started tapping again. And we have put a little bit of transmission fluid in with the oil. I was told that would help. Sometimes pump a weak one up, but that still hasn't helped. So if you have any pointers or anything on something I could maybe try, please feel free to let me know. But anyway, guys, so far that's where we're at on this vehicle right here. And like I said, this is a 2006 Mitsubishi Raider with a 3.7. It ain't nothing but a Dodge motor, it looks like to me. Just message, subscribe, like the video if you'd like to see more stuff like this. And anyway, I hope this video helps you out and somewhat, and I'll post another video once we and update you on it once we get everything taken care of, and let you know what we had to go through to fix the vehicle. And hopefully that'll help you on your if you're having the same problem or happen to purchase one of these trucks and got the same lifter noise, rather it be on the left or the right side, or maybe this video will help you out. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.